We are very proud to announce another 6 sites that have been decarbonized in SKF. It means that these sites have worked hard to reduce their emissions in line with 95% against 2019 baseline. They have also continuously worked with their energy performance, meaning that they have reduced their energy demand against their output. They have also a strong plan for the remaining emissions. They have done this in various ways. So, continuously working on energy performance. That's very important to start with. Then, of course, to make sure that they reduce their dependency on fossil fuels. So, by, for instance, electrification. And then, for the energy that they use, we have secured renewable energy. And that has been done in close collaboration between the internal teams and the expertise teams in SKF. So the local sites and the central teams together in close collaboration. This is important because we are contributing, we are delivering our part here. And these sites have shown that we are progressing. We have committed to SBTi targets, net zero targets by 2030, and we are now delivering on this. And that's why we are a credible partner when we discuss topics like energy performance, energy efficiency, renewable energy with our partners, with our suppliers, with our customers, so that we can help them to progress and contribute as well.